Hi everyone, welcome back to Lina English Studio. Today, we're diving into one of the most natural ways to speak English like a native: tag questions. You hear them all the time in movies, songs, and real conversations. Nice weather today, isn't it? You've seen this before, haven't you? Sounds familiar, right? But how do you use them correctly? Don't worry, I'll break it down step by step, with easy examples and tips you won't forget. A tag question is a short question added to the end of a sentence. We use it to check information or ask someone to agree with us. It's very common in everyday English, especially in speaking. For example, when someone says, "You like watching movies, don't you?" they are not only giving information but also asking if the listener agrees. The structure of a tag question has two parts. The first part is the main sentence. The second part is the tag, which includes an auxiliary verb and a pronoun. For example, she is tired, isn't she? She is tired is the main sentence. It tells us something. Isn't she is the tag. It uses the auxiliary verb is and the pronoun she to ask for confirmation. So the full sentence means, I think she is tired. Do you agree? If the main sentence is positive, the tag is negative. If the main sentence is negative, the tag is positive. This is called switching. For example, she is a teacher, isn't she? The sentence is positive, so the tag is negative. We always use the same auxiliary verb in the tag as in the main sentence. If the sentence uses is, are, was, were, have, has, will, can, or should, we repeat that verb in the tag. For example, he can swim, can't he? Can is used in the sentence, so we use can't in the tag. If the sentence does not have an auxiliary verb, we use do, does, or did, depending on the tense. For example, you like coffee, don't you? Like is a present simple verb, so we use do in the tag. He went home, didn't he? Went is past simple, so we use did in the tag. There are some special cases. When the subject is I am, the tag is aren't I? For example, I am late, aren't I? This is an exception to the normal rule. When the sentence starts with let's, the tag is shall we. For example, let's go, shall we? Some sentences look positive but are actually negative. If the sentence has words like never, hardly, seldom, few, or little, we treat it as negative and use a positive tag. For example, she never eats meat, does she? Never is a negative word, so the tag is positive. To answer a tag question, you listen to the meaning of the main sentence. If someone says, you don't like pizza, do you? And you do like pizza, you say, yes, I do. If you don't like pizza, you say, no, I don't. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Lina English Studio.